What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce the size of PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. This is useful for sharing documents via email or online, especially when you're dealing with size limits. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for this tutorial, as it provides all the necessary tools for reducing PDF file size. Click on Menu in the top menu and select Open. Choose the PDF document you want to reduce in size and click Open. Click on Tools in the top menu to open the Tools pane. Scroll down and select Compressor PDF from the list of available tools. In the Compressor PDF toolbar, click on Optimize Scanned Pages if you're working with a scanned document, or Reduce File Size for other PDFs. A dialog box will appear with various options for optimizing your PDF. In the Reduce File Size dialog box, select the version compatibility. Choosing a later version, such as Acrobat 10.0 or later, can reduce the file size more significantly, but may limit compatibility with older versions of Acrobat. Click OK to apply the optimization settings. Go to File, Save As, to save the optimized PDF with a new name. This way, you keep the original file unchanged. If you have multiple PDFs to reduce, you can use Adobe Acrobat's batch processing feature to optimize several files at once. Go to Tools, Action Wizard, and create an action for optimizing PDFs. Always preview your optimized PDF to ensure the quality is acceptable. Sometimes, aggressive optimization can affect the readability or appearance of your document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.